Hello. For this video naman, ang pag-uusapan natin class is the different matrix operations. So actually, napakaraming matrix operations kaya this consists of several videos, no? So specifically, dito naman, ang pag-uusapan muna natin ay addition and subtraction of matrices, no? So sige, i-consider natin itong example na to para mas maintindihan nyo po, no? So, according dito, given the following matrices, so ito yung matrix A, 3, 7, 0, negative 2, 6, negative 9, 1, negative 8, negative 3. And the matrix B naman is 9, negative 2, 5, 2, negative 3, 7, and negative 4, 0, and 1, no? So, ang tinatanong dito is the sum, and A and B. Yung pangalawa naman is the difference A and B. And yung pangatlo is the result of 2a minus 3b. So by the way, bago natin siya isolve, you need to take note that our matrix 1 is a 3 by 3 matrix, no? So kasi nga 'di ba, meron siyang tatlong rows, 1, 2, and 3. Tapos dito naman tatlong columns, no? Meanwhile, yung matrix B din class, this is a 3 by 3 matrix, no? So ayan, no? Yun yung scenario natin. So ito ang tatandaan nyo dito, no? You can only perform matrix addition or subtraction if the matrix have the same dimension, no? Ayan, no? So, ano bang ibig sabihin nito, class, no? So, dito, yung ating matrix A, that's a 3 by 3 matrix. Ganon din yung matrix B, no? So, kapag parehas sila ng dimension, pwede kang mag-perform ng matrix addition or matrix subtraction, no? So, yun yung una yung tatandaan. Kasi, class, kung magkaiba sila ng dimension or magkaiba sila ng size, hindi mo po pwedeng ma-perform itong mga operations na to, no? So, yun dapat yung unang yung tatandaan. Ma-make sure nyo na magkaparehas ng dimension yung dalawa natin na matrices, no? So, sige, no? Subukan na natin tong isolve, no? So, allow me to screenshot na lang para hindi na ako dito masyadong um, mag-consume ng time. And I will attach that, no, to my notebook para maging reference natin, no? So, here, yung unang question dito, tandaan mo, yung unang question is, hahanapin daw natin yung sum ng matrix A and yung matrix B. And madali lang naman yung magiging process dito, class. Kasi ang gagawin mo, element by element, addition lang yan, no? So, halimbawa, for this one, the first row, first column is 3. Sa kabila naman, the first row, first column is 9. E di, syempre, magiging 3 plus 9. Ayun lang po, no? Then, you need to follow the same process din. So, halimbawa, ito, 7 and negative 2. E di, syempre, for the second row, first row, second column. So, this is 7 plus negative 2. Then, dito naman sa pangatlo, that is 0 plus 5. Ayan siya, no? 0 and 5. So, for the second row, first column, that is negative 2 and 2. So, ilagay natin siya, negative 2 plus 2. For the next naman, ito siya, negative 6, sorry, positive 6, negative 3. So, that is 6 plus negative 3. Then, yung sumunod naman is negative 9 plus 7, no? 'Di ba, no? Ito siya. Um, negative 9 and 7. Tapos, yung sunod is 1 plus negative 4. So, 1 plus negative 4. So, followed by negative 8 plus 0. And finally, negative 3 plus 1. So, ayan siya, no? So, ang ginawa ko lang dito is literal element by element lang siya, no? So, tapos, ikaw na lang ang bahala mag-simplify nito. For example, here, matrix A plus matrix B for the first one, no? So, yung una, that is 3 plus 9. Obviously, the answer is 12. So, yung sunod naman class, 7 plus negative 2. So, it's just 7 minus 2. So, that is 5. Yung sumunod, 0 plus 5. Obviously, that is 5. Then, followed by negative 2 plus 2. So, negative 2 plus 2 is just 0. Then, ito naman, 6 plus negative 3. So, it's just 6 minus 3 or 3. Then sumunod, negative 9 plus 7. So, that's negative 2. Then followed by 1 plus negative 4. So, it is just 1 minus 4 or negative 3. Then sumunod, negative 8 plus 0. So, it's just negative 8. And finally, negative 3 plus 1. So, that's negative 2. So, this is now the answer when you perform matrix addition, no? So, yun lang po yung solution. So, yung sumunod naman na process is yung A minus B. So, yun lang. Kung kanina addition, this time subtraction naman of elements, no? So, halimbawa, i-consider ko lang ito. Then, i-paste ko lang yun dito. Then, yun na nga, instead of using addition, lahat lang nito papalitan ko ng subtraction, no? Ayun lang naman yung gagawin natin. So, magbabawas tayo. So now, computein na natin sila one by one. So, halimbawa ito, that's 3 minus 9. Um, so, yung 3 minus 9 natin obviously is negative 6. So, followed by 7 minus negative 2. This time, negative times negative is positive, kaya magiging 7 plus 2. So, that is 9. Then 0 minus 5. So, that's negative 5. Then sumunod naman, negative 2 minus 2. So, that's negative 4. Then sumunod naman, 6 minus negative 3. It's just 6 plus 3. That is 9. Then followed by negative 9 minus 7. So, that's negative 16. Then sumunod, 1 minus negative 4. So, magshi-shift sign yun. Kaya magiging 1 plus 4. So, that is 5. So, negative 8 minus 0 is negative 8. And finally, negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. So, that is now our matrix difference, no? And for the last question, ang tinatanong dito, no, is the value of 2a minus 3b, no? So, here, let's now try to compute that. So, 2a minus 3b, no? So, paano naman kapag may ma-encounter kayo class na operation na may ganitong coefficient? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung lahat ng elements ng matrix A, imumultiply nyo lang ng 2. And yung lahat ng elements ng matrix B, imumultiply mo ng 3. Then, of course, ima-minus nyo sila, no? So, halimbawa, dito sa first element, yung 3 and 9. So, ang gagawin ko dyan is 2 times 3 minus 3 times 9. Yun na nga, no? 2a, 2 times element A minus 3 times element B. So, ganun lang yung process, no? Then we will replicate the same process to the remaining elements, no? So, for the first row, second column, itong 7 and negative 2, kaya dapat 2 times 7 minus 3 times negative 2. Then yung pangatlo, 2 times 0 minus 3 times 5, no? Then just continue the process, no? So, that is 2 times negative 2 minus 3 times negative times 2. Ayan siya, no? Then, sumunod naman, 2 times 6, minus 3 times negative 3. Then, yung sumunod naman, 2 times negative 9, minus 3 times 7. So, ayun siya, no? Then, followed by 2 times 1, minus 3 times negative 4. Then, sumunod, 2 times negative 8, minus 3 times 0. And finally, 2 times negative 3 minus 3 times 1, no? So, ayun siya. Then, of course, kukumputin mo lang sila kada isa. So, halimbawa ito, 2 times 3 minus 3 times 9. Ikaw na lang, no, gumamit ng calculator mo dyan. So, here, ang sagot dyan, negative 21, no? Tapos, ito naman, 2 times 7 minus 3 times negative 2. So, ang sagot natin dyan, is I think 20 'no? Tama ba? Yeah, it's 20. So yung sumunod naman 2 times 0 minus 3 times 5, so that's -15. Then ito naman 2 times -2 minus 3 times -2. So 'pag kinompyut mo yan that's -10. So ito naman 2 times 6 minus 3 times -3. So parang magiging 12 plus 9, so balik siya sa 21. So ito naman magiging 2 times -9 minus 3 times 7. So that is, ito -18 to eh, tapos -21. So that is -39, sorry. -39. Then ito naman 2 times 1 minus 3 times -4 parang magiging 2 plus 12 kaya 14. 2 times -8 minus 3 times 0, so that's -16. And finally 2 times -3 minus 3 times 1, that is -9, no? So this is now the answer, no? So ayun 'no, gano'n lang naman yung process natin class ng pag-determine ng matrix addition or, matrix subtraction 'no, or kung may, coefficient katulad nitong 2 and 3 'no. So I do hope 'no, naintindihan niyo itong lesson natin for matrix addition and subtraction. So thank you so much and ingat po kayong lahat.